Good morning, Year 4. It's Mr. Tamlin here, and welcome to our spelling video for today. Now, for our spelling words for this week, I've got a question first of all. Our higher order question is, can you spot a pattern? Now, that is linked to our spelling words here. So look at our first 8 spelling words. I'm going to give you about 10 seconds only. Can you spot a pattern with these words? So do they all have similar letters? Do they start the same? Do they end the same? Can you spot anything that is similar between these words? Got another about 5 seconds. Okay, time is up. Let's have a little look. Well, all of these words here start with the letters B-I or the letters R-E. So we've got letters that start with bi, like bicycle, bisect, and biannual. Other words start with re, like rebuild, reappear, redecorate, repay, and reapply. Well done if you spotted that pattern with our spelling words for this week. Now let's look at these letters a little bit more detail because these are all prefixes. Now remember, making links for last week, prefixes are letters that are added to the very beginning of words and they can change their meaning. So these words start with bi. Now bi, first of all, usually means the number 2 or twice. So for example, the word bilingual means that somebody can speak 2 languages. So see if you can remember today that bi means 2 or twice. The other prefix we're looking at is re. Now, when you use re, usually that means you do something again or you give something back, like repay. If you pay for something, you use money. Repay means you pay something back. For example, if someone gave you some money, you give it back by repaying them. And they are the 2 prefixes that we are going to be focusing on for this week. Now, I've taken one of our spelling words and I've shown it in a picture. My task for you is, can you guess what word is being described? Let's reveal the screen and look at the picture. Here is my picture. What word is it? And I've given you some letters here. Some are hidden, but you've got 3 letters on show there. Shout out now if you know what word is being described. This word is bicycle, and we spell it B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. The bi here refers to 2, so we have like 2 wheels. Let's go to another spelling word. I'm going to reveal the screen. Here is our second word. Can you guess what word is being described? Now I've got a picture of a ghost here. Then the arrow says it's disappeared. We can no longer see it. And that was one of our spelling words last week. And then it's back again. So it's this word here that I'm really thinking about. What is the word when something means that it comes back? Here are your clues here. Shout out if you know what it is. This word is reappeared. R-E-A-P-P-E-A-R, reappear. And the re means it's to come back. Let's look at our third spelling word then. Let's reveal the picture. Can you try and guess what word is being described? Here it is. You've got 2 cartoon characters here, and one of them is saying, thanks for lending me that money. Oh, we had this word right at the beginning. Can you remember what it is? Here is your clue. This word is repay. R-E-P-A-Y. Remember, if you give somebody money and they give it back to you, you repay them. Let's go on to our 4th word. Here is my final picture. Let's see, can you guess what spelling word is being described? You've got a character here building a tower, then it's knocked over, and they build the tower again. What word do you think is being described? Here is your clue. Shout out if you know it. This word is rebuild. R-E-B-U-I-L-D. The re means, remember to do it again. If they built it, it gets knocked over. To build it again means rebuild. Super, well done, Year 4. Now, we have got 4 other words using our bi and our re spelling rule. Let's see, bisect is the first one. Now, bisect means if you divide something into 2 parts. So remember, bi means 2. Biannual means when something happens twice a year. Remember, bi means twice, and it might be a sporting event, a musical event, whatever the event is, but it happens twice in a year. Then we've got 2 re words. We've got redecorate. That means to decorate something again. Remember, re means again. And then reapply, apply for something again. So they're all of our words using our bi and our re. Just like normal, we have 3 or 4 just words at the end of our spelling sheets that are just must-learn words for Year 4. We've got the word often. often means whether it's something about time, it can happen quite a few times a day, or if you're thinking about a calendar, quite a few times throughout the year or a week, whatever it might be. Materials, so all of the different objects, especially if you're building something, you could have bricks or you could have like soft material, hard materials, lots of different things there. And then nature and natural can all refer to like the environment, all of like the green landscapes, all to do with the world rather than when we build something as humans. So there are all of our spelling words for this week. We've got a spelling sheet and you can find this on our learning document for today and you can download it if you'd like to. You can even print it there if you'd like to. Now you've got some choices here for. Today you could either use the practice 1, 2 and 3 boxes and see if you can practice all of our words using our look, cover, write, spell check. Or you could just practice one lot today and then you could do practice 2 tomorrow and then practice 3 on Friday. The choice is yours. Then, like usual, on the back we have a couple of activities. We have an unscrambler first of all, which says look at these words here and see if you can unscramble them. All the letters are jumbled up. Can you unjumble them? And then we've also got a dice game. Read the instructions carefully, but it basically tells you to use Google to find a virtual dice, and whatever number it lands on, it gives you an instruction. For example, if you roll a number 3, choose a spelling word and write it with different colours. Repeat it with different spelling words and different instructions. Okay, well done Year 4. That's all of our spelling words for today. See if you can use the rest of this time to practice our spelling words and see if you can learn them off by heart. Bye for now.